All right, so I'm going to show you guys the easiest way to connect this snorkel keeper to any snorkel tube. So you want to get the flat plastic tabs on the right side, and you want to have the S clips facing downward on the left side. So once you have it like this, you can just grab your snorkel and then lay it flat and then come and wrap around the tube itself. So you can grab this plastic tab and pull over the S clip and then cinch it down. And I'm using my thumb to hold down this side. And once you have it like this, you can then slip this through the left side mask loop. So you'll notice that the actual strap, it's not loose on this side, it's actually coming down and it's closed right here. And so once you have it like this, you can slide both parts through. And you'll notice that it's completely through, and you'll do the same exact process where you can then hug it around itself, pull the tab over the S clip, and then cinch it down. And at that point, you have a connected mask and snorkel. And in order to take it off, if you just want it to have the mask separated, let's say, you can just grab one tab, pull it over again with the S clip, and then hook it, pull out the remaining side, and then you're completely free at that point. And then if you want it to further just disconnect everything again, same exact thing, pull the tab over and out, and everything's separated once again. So once you're on the home page of getwetstore.com, at the top right, you can click the search tab and type in AC003, and it'll be the very first product that pops up. You'll click on this, add to cart, and then you can proceed to checkout.